How are y'all doing today? I hope everybody is well and having a wonderful day. I have a Reader's Digest book to share with you all now, Nature's Masterpieces. And this one is from 2000. These are some very beautiful images. Thank you so much for joining me once again, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, night, weekend, whenever you're catching this. And remember, always make time for yourselves because you matter too. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.